Last 4 on the kicking horse today, guys. Let's go all forwards, all forwards. And relax for a moment and get ready to paddle hard. All forwards, all forwards. Nice and hard, go, go, go. And get down, get down, get down. Here we go. And staying down, stay down, stay down. And back on the job, but hold on. Get back up, but hold on. Holding on, holding on. Keep holding on, hold on to our T-grips. Nice work, guys. Keep holding on, keep holding on. Keep holding on. And hold on tight, big bump coming. And all forwards. Gotta paddle here, all forwards, nice and hard. Go, go, go. Keep going, keep going. All forwards, keep going. You guys are doing great. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, hold on, hold on, hold on. Good work, guys, great work, great work. Hold it on, hold it on. Keep holding on. And all forwards, and hold on, hold on, hold on. Holding on, here we go. Keep holding on. And all forwards, one stroke, and then hold on, hold on, hold on. Keep holding on. And all forwards, all forwards. Keep going, and holding on, holding on. You guys are doing great, keep up. Keep it up, hold it on, hold it on. Hold on tight, hold it on tight. And keep holding on, keep holding on. Keep holding on. Let's go all forwards, all forwards. And holding on, holding on. Keep holding on. Holding on some more, we got some waves coming. Woohoo! And let's do a celebration. Nice, that was great fun, wasn't it? And we're back into class 3 here. Let's keep holding on. Whoops. And let's go all forwards here, all forwards, nice and hard. Really dig it in, keep going. And then hold on tight, hold it on, hold it on, hold it on. And let's go all backwards, all backwards. Keep going backwards. And relax, let's do another celebration. Great work out there, guys, that was awesome. Are you ready for some more? All right, all forwards then, into the next class 3. All forwards. Keep going, through the first wave, and then hold on, hold it on. And one more stroke forwards, just one, and then hold it on again, hold it on. Woohoo! Keep holding on, keep holding on. Keep holding on. And let's go all forwards, all forwards. And then hold it on, hold it on. Keep holding on. Holding on some more. Keep holding on. And holding on for the next bumps. And let's go all forwards, all forwards. And then hold on here, holding on. Keep holding on, and all forwards, all forwards. Keep going, nearly there. Let's do a celebration. Awesome. Oh, man, is it ever fun out here today. Got another fun bit of class 3 coming up here when the river drops again. Let's go all forwards here, all forwards. Keep going, and then hold on, hold on. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And then all forwards, all forwards. And relax. And all forwards, one stroke. And then hold it on, and relax. That's an exciting start to our trip, isn't it? And let's do a little hold on here, just a little one. And relaxing. We're gonna drop into a wave sideways up here. It's called the mini man-eater. Let's take one stroke forwards, and then hold on, hold it on. And then all forwards, all forwards. You're gonna paddle all the way over to the big man-eater. Keep going, and relax. We're gonna do a get down for this one. So let's get down here, getting down. Everyone ready? Here we go. And back in the job, back in the job. And relax. Let's go all forwards as well here, all forwards. Keep going all the way through the wave here, and then hold it on, hold it on. Keep holding on, keep holding on. Hold it on some more. And relax. This next section of rapids we call the car wash. And let's hold on here, holding on. And keep holding on, another wave. This is beautiful out here with the sunshine right now, isn't it? Let's take one stroke forwards and then hold it on, hold it on. And keep holding on, keep holding on. And two strokes forwards. And relaxing. We're gonna get a little speed going for the next waves here. Let's take two strokes forwards. 1, 2, and then hold it on through here, hold it on. And relax whenever you're comfortable with it. This next section under the bridge we call the Twin Towers Rapid. Go figure why, huh? This bridge is about 105 meters high. Hold it on, hold it on. And let's go all forwards here, all forwards. Setting ourselves up for success. Keep going all forwards. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Keep holding on, keep holding on. Keep holding on. And let's do a celebration! Have a nice look up at the bridge as we go under it. That's about as tall as a Saturn V rocket ship that took astronauts to the moon. Let's go all forwards here, all forwards. Ready for the troll wave. Hold on for that troll wave. Hold it on. Keep holding on, keep holding on. We're not out of it yet. Hold it on. And all forwards, all forwards. And relaxing. All right, guys, we got our last Waltz rapid coming up here. It's the last big rapid on the kicking horse for today. We'll get our picture taken from the left-hand shore. The guy's gonna be standing just behind the log jam, all right? You might want to smile and wave, but keep a hold of your T-grip, all right? Wave with your other hand. All right, let's go all forwards here, all forwards. Get some speed going, keep going, keep going. Holding on, holding on, holding on. Here we go. And we may as well go down the rest backwards just for fun. And let's do a celebration. Those are some big waves in there. Anyone else wants to go, by all means, hop on out whenever you're ready. Hey Maliki, there are some waves coming up here, just so you know. It's alright to swim through them. Oh yeah. Enjoy the view from down there. Yeah, here comes some waves, guy. What's wrong with that? Take a deep breath, guy. So anytime you want to come back in, just let us know and you'll get rescued. You gotta fall all the way across the raft, across the rope. Oh. No, don't grab her arm, just for the life jacket. You can do it. Hey, there we go. Nice rescues, guys.
That wasn't the